To change the voicemail greeting on your Android phone, we'll first go to the Phone app. If you don't have the Phone app on the home screen, just swipe up to reveal the app drawer, and then find the Phone app from there. Once you're in the Phone app, you can choose the keypad from the bottom, and then tap and hold the number 1 key to access your voicemail. Once connected, listen for the menu option to manage settings or greetings. Carriers use different voice menus, so just follow the prompts to record a new greeting. Usually there's an option to listen to messages and another option to manage settings or greetings. The exact steps may sound a little different depending on your carrier, but overall the process is the same. Generally speaking, voicemail is always handled on your carrier's end, so there is no setting or menu where you'd do this on your phone. Instead, you'll use the Phone app to access voicemail and change your greeting from there. Some carriers let you change greetings in their own app or website, but that depends on the carrier. Not everyone offers that option. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.